Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nature. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for latest updates. In this video, I'll be teaching you the medicinal properties of monkey kola. This is what monkey kola looks like. This is my monkey kola. This is what monkey kola looks like. When it's cut open, this is what it looks like when it's cut open. Monkey kola is widely grown in West Africa. In English, it is called monkey kola. In Igbo dialect, it is called achicha. Monkey kola has been used traditionally for their medicinal properties. Now, let me teach you how to make monkey kola tea. Get 2 to 3 medium size of monkey kola, okay? Cut it into pieces, okay? Wash it, first of all, wash it thoroughly. Cut it open, then cut it into tiny pieces. Put it in your pot, add 1 liter of water, bring it to boil. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, after which you can now bring it out and then sieve it out. Take it first thing on an empty stomach and last thing before going to bed. Now, the medicinal properties of monkey kola tea are: it relieves cough and chest congestion, okay? It helps to boost your immune system. It aids digestion and it reduces bloating, okay? It lowers your blood pressure and your cholesterol level, okay? It has antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory properties, okay? Now, you can also choose, like for me, I choose to snack on my monkey kola, okay? Achicha, monkey kola, go and try it, it's very sweet. Very sweet. Very delicious. Now, the medicinal properties of snacking on the monkey kola is: 1. Improves eye health. It improves heart health. It improves bone health. Now, the mineral content of monkey kola are iron, copper, zinc, all the B vitamins, vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, vitamin calcium, which is good for your bone, potassium, which is good for the heart, okay? Guys, I hope you find my video very interesting. Please, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, okay? Till I come your way next time, stay healthy. Thanks and bye.